We're getting a snowstorm. It's coming down pretty hard. All right, I got this nifty pop socket mount that is supposed to mount onto handlebars of a bike. I'm gonna try to mount it onto the handlebars of our Razor dirt quad. Let's see how it goes. All right, I got it. I mean, it's so stuck. Look at the tires. Oh, baby. Whew. She a baddie. All right, so I just put the Razor away and it's snowing so much harder. So much harder.
Back up.
So much harder. What else should we do? Alright, so I don't know what's about to happen right there. I'd say probably not a whole lot. Because the moped, if the dirt quad was giving me trouble, the moped is probably not gonna happen. That's gonna be like a kick scooter.
Good try.
Good try. All right, we got the Coleman out. Woo! It's been like a good couple months since we even had this bike out, and now he's riding it in the snow. Maybe. So here's where we rode the Razor, and you can see it's already filled up the tracks from that. Oh, you could send it right to that puddle. Let's go. Woo!
Oh my god!
Oh, the tires. Things have escalated. Anyway, we found some snow tubes, so we're gonna try to get these blown up and see how that goes. All right, well, we couldn't find the right nozzle to blow up our snow tubes, so we got Cronus's Bark Box Fun Boy Yacht. Oh, Cronus is chasing the bird right now. He's not really worried about it, but it is gonna cost $1 a ride. Here she goes! Woo! Here it goes! Yeah, boy! Look at his face! You're so cute! We're using your boat, buddy. One time! Here he goes! Yeah! Tegan, go, Tegan, go. Hey, that was a good one. We got some more air up in this boat, boy!
That side's so much more better.
Woo! Woo! Here you go! Good slide. Let's go, Dada! Let's go! Whee! Surfing in the snow! Cronus to the rescue! I know you can do it. Whoa!
started.
Wait.
The sun is setting on our snow day. I'm gonna check on the back porch here where people haven't been running around as much. All right, we got about 9 inches out here. Realistically, I think we got about around 10 to 12 inches of snow in total today. I'm gonna end the day with some hot chocolate. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video if you like this video. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.